Hey, I'm Kelly Oberman, and I'm currently a freshman in Biosystems engineering. So a question I get pretty frequently is, what is Biosystems engineering? It's not a big major. Um, a lot of people haven't heard of it. So what I usually say is it covers a broad range of engineering disciplines to solve to solve problems of sustainable development and resource stewardship. And then the curriculum kind of covers electrical engineering, mechanical, industrial, and civil. So it's a pretty broad major. You're disciplined in a lot of different things, and you can help solve problems in biological systems, agriculture, and natural resources. So some potential careers. There's a lot of opportunity within government agencies, U.S. Natural Resource Conservation Service, the EPA, the U.S. and State Department, and that kind of includes the USDA as well, Department of Agriculture. Or you can go into a private firm, like environmental design and consulting, or something like water treatment, which is also, I guess, it could be considered like a government agency or like a local, something like that, wastewater. So the one I'm most interested at the moment is being an engineer for the Natural Resource Conservation Service. That's kind of what I want to do. So what do? You would help solve different natural resource problems, and you can also become involved in helping communities recover from natural disasters. So you can be in the field working with farmers and other land users, or you can say you get hit with a huge hurricane, you can help kind of rebuild that environment from the ground up if it was damaged pretty badly. You can help consult for conservation planning, which is making more like sustainable areas, and suggest ways to improve the overall quality of soil, water, the wetlands, and wildlife habitats. Another thing they do is they do a lot of community outreach, so you do presentations to different agricultural clubs and organizations to help educate and spread awareness on how you can make your practices more sustainable. The average salary is around $85,000 a year, and the qualifications are a bachelor's degree and ABET accreditation, and most employers like to see some type of like research, co-op, or internship previous to your application, just so they know you have some experience in the field. Next, we have environmental design and consulting. So what do? This is like urban design, development of new community spaces, as well as reconstructing current spaces to make them more sustainable and more compatible with the current environment. Or you can go environmental consulting route, so you make sure your clients are complying with different environmental regulations set forth by the EPA, and suggesting ways to meet those accreditations, or regulations, excuse me. Average salary is around $75,000 per year, and qualifications, this is usually just a bachelor's degree, and like you want to be licensed, like a licensed engineer for this one. And then finally, water treatment engineer. So this could be at like a local wastewater treatment or in a big like food production company and dealing with their wastewater. So what do? You find ways to improve the current wastewater systems, work with both small and large groups to create more efficient processes, or you could do stormwater management, which you develop practices that protect, restore, or mimic the natural water cycle, which is pretty cool. Average salary is about $68,000 per year, and qualifications, again, the bachelor's degree or higher, and you want to be a licensed engineer for this one. So as you can see, it's a very broad major. There's a lot of things you can do with it, and yeah, thank you so much.